All right. This is 9:09, and this time we expect all peoples of primary school, secondary school, and other institutions should be in their school. Well, my name is Yunusa Gabriel Enemali, and my community report today is coming all the way from LGEA Ukolojogene. Is in the Kina local government, Anyigba ward. Now, I'm going to unveil something that will touch your heart wherever you are. And the reason why we're doing this, we need to bring you up to speed to understand what is happening. Now, come with me. Now, this is primary 1. As I speak with you, it is combined with primary 1 and 2 because their little hut where they stay has primary 2 has been fallen down by a breeze. Look at it there. Now, come back. Now you can see these are the leaders of tomorrow. Well, according to them, move closer, let them see their faces. These are supposed to be the leaders of tomorrow. In this community, there is nothing like infrastructure here. No social amenities at all. Now it is so pathetic. Look at their board. This is their board. Now I move with him, he comes with me, come with me, come with me. Now this is supposed to be class 2, but today it's already down. Now show me the camera. This is supposed to be class 2. This class 2 is now combined with class 1. And that is why you have a mixed class. Now, I am told that they have class 1 to 6. Now, this 1 to 6, you will be extremely shocked with what you're going to hear. They only have 2 teachers, and they are being paid by Subel. Now, tell me, how can this teacher cope? He has family. He has children. Now, the salary being paid him is on the so-called percentage salary. Now, here is primary 3. This primary 3 is also combined with primary 4. Am I correct? Okay, this is just primary 3 alone. You can see that. Now, tell me, what leader of tomorrow are you going to make out of these people? As far as they're concerned, nothing like computer that they would have ever seen in their life. Now, come with me. I'm going to show you. Now, as you come this way, this is the class, and this is class 4 and 5. All right, this is class 4 and class 5. Now, you can see the shanty where they stay, and they teach them. This is in the Kina local government, in Kogi State, in Nigeria. Now, I'm coming back to tell you what even the Sustainable Development Goal says about education. Now, we need to begin to think very, very well, or else we're going to be in trouble. Now, come with me again. This is class 6. Now, I have this as class 6. Now, tell me, some of them don't even come to school. Why would they come to school? They are not encouraged. The teachers are not encouraged. The parents are not encouraged. Now, getting to this place, I had to use this Okada. It is not motorable. It is extremely so difficult. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now, this is it. This is LGEA Ukolojogene in the Kina local government, like I've said before, and this primary school has class 1 to 6. And the number of pupils right now are about 60. Majority of them don't even come to school because they need to follow their parents to the farm. And nobody encourages them, nothing about technology that they have ever seen. No lights, no infrastructure, nothing. Now, they only have 2 teachers. The teachers are being paid by State Universal Basic Education Board. They call it SUBEB in Lokoja, and their salary is in percentage. This is absolutely absurd. It is uncalled for. Now, the reason why we need to do this as part of our community report, we need you to come to the aid of this community. NGO, spirited human beings, wherever you are, if you are touched, ask yourself, would you allow your children to come to this kind of a school? The answer is no. Now, let's go back to what the first 6 SDG points, that is the 17, the first 6 out of 17. Now, the first one says poverty. Tell me, what are you expecting from these people? Is it not poverty? Now, number 2 says hunger. This is hunger staring at them. Number 3, good health and well-being. In this community, there is nothing like health center here. Now, if they are sick, they need to travel on Okada from here to Anyigba, which is about 20 kilometers by over 20 kilometers on it. And the road is extremely bad. Now, tell me, there is no water here. There's a stream down here. That is where they drink from. Now, number 4 point of it says quality education. Tell me what is quality about this education here in this modern age and time. Man, there is a lot of things gone wrong with us. Whatever it is, we need to wake up, or else our future and their future will be doomed. Number 5 says gender equality. Look, at most of them here are male. Well, the female ones here are here. They're trying to also cope amongst their male counterpart. Now, the 6th one says clean water and sanitation. This is extremely worrisome, and I want to expect every one of us to wake up now, or else we will be doomed. The future of these children lies on us. Wherever you are, an NGO, you are spirited field. The last time I brought you a story from Akwelu. Today I am in Ukpolojogeni in the Kina local government. It's just about 25 kilometers, minutes ride on Okada from Manyiwa. Well, it's pathetic, and I need somebody to do it. This is my community report from Ukpolojogeni, and something urgently needs to be done. You can see them. Does this look like people's children? It's unfortunate. Please, if you want to support this community, if you want to support these children to have a future tomorrow, please speak to me. Talk to me. Call me on 07054 000 395. We need to encourage these two teachers. They have been on their foot. Today, the teacher is coming all the way from Owawolo to come and teach this pupil, and he will need to go back. Tell me, if he's not, look at his, come on, look at his rickety motorbike that he comes with. Look at it. There are two, and then that is the second one. I think they deserve an encouragement. Please, if you are touched, encourage them. Look at it. And this is what they travel with every day to coming down to this place to come and teach these children. So it's unfortunate that we still found ourselves in this modern age and time, and we call ourselves the giant of Africa. If we don't do something now, our future is doomed. Well, let me get out of this place till I come your way again. My name remains Yunus Gabriel Enemali. Community report on your #1 internet station, Igala Radio, live on Facebook. Thank you very much.
My name is Govt. I'm in Ogamist School here in Oga Village. This place was the school I started my foundation from the junior secondary school, the senior secondary school. Today, as an old boy of this school, we have come here for fact finding to see if what we have been hearing outside is true. And today I am saying I'm very disappointed in seeing these structures where I learned what I know in life today has turned to a forest. As you can see, the whole building has been dilapidated. There is no window. As you can see, there's no window. And like what I learned, the students in this school, they are never up to 20. Because when they come, they go, because the place is no more habitable. This is the windows, as you can see now. Please come. Please come. As you can see, the roof has been removed. Please show them the roof, please. The roof. You understand? So, and this is another class now, as you can see. This course is even dangerous. The students even fall on the students. You can see a very few number of students in the class. Please come. In those days when we used to come in this school, the population in this school was ranking to 500 those days, and it was formed. Please come, please come. Look at this classroom too. That's why the students are not able up to 10 here. In most schools, students are not able up to 20. Please come, please come. Please come.
No, I beg these students, not let them appear, so that you can see my.
Please come. Please come.
Very important. The government thing will see people learning
So
here, children.
this is another class now. As long as there's no wind, criminals can easily enter the classes and destroy things that you have here. This is the SS3 class. Because we only have two, SS2. As you can see, that we only have two long chairs here. The class is supposed to be like up to 50 students, if not more than. This is the staff room. You can see the nature of the staff room. Teachers are not being good taken care of, and you can see books everywhere. So on this note, we are here. We are not here to laugh at anybody. We are not here to quarrel. We are not here to. I'm very much aware that the governor of this state is not aware of the nature of this school. As a vacancy governor, he is aware. I believe that this school would have long ago been transformed. I am calling on the governor of Edo State, Godwin Nogayase Obaseki, to come quickly to the aid of these students. This is not the way it is when we were here. We are calling on all tiers of government, from the local government, from the state, to come to the aid of this school. Thank you.